Hello friends, in this short and quick video I'm going to show you how to fix website error code 403 access denied on Chrome. So guys, if you want to open and access any website on your Chrome browser, so you can resolve this issue, use following some steps and make sure friends this method will work for some users. And friends, make sure this method work for some user, so only you can try. Click on start, then type control panel. Open control panel. Now select view by as large icons, then click on network and sharing center. Now right click on your internet source like Wi-Fi. Now left click on your internet source like Wi-Fi. Then click on properties. Now just guys, you need to uncheck internet protocol version 6. You need to uncheck this internet protocol version 6, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. And guys, if this method is not work, so try another method. Again click on start, then type control panel. Select view by as large icons, network and sharing center. Left click on your internet source, then click on properties. Now this time you need to check internet protocol version 6. So select this box, then move your cursor to internet protocol version 4, then click on properties, then click on use following DNS server addresses and type at and at in this second line at 4 and 4, then click on OK and close it. Now close it and restart. Now click on start, then type cmd. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now type this command line ipconfig space slash flu sh dns, then press enter. Now type net sh net sh space winsock space and reset. So type this command line and then press enter. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these some simple and easy method, we can fix website error code 403 access denied on Chrome. Please comment this method work for you or not. Thanks for watching this video.